Hello guys, welcome to the another episode of my life. Today's date is 22nd of March 2021 and yes, it is the same day in which I just shot before this recording. I just shot my life episode 19 and becoming a copywriter episode 3rd. So, and I was just getting the thought of recording another episode because I have another thing to share and just thought just to share, just to document each and everything. So welcome to the another episode of my life 20. So guys, in this episode I'm going to be talking about a thought that I just got uh, half an hour ago or 1 hour ago, I think so. A thought that I got today 1 hour ago, or a thought I got a few months back, but I hadn't gave a second thought to that thought to come to a reality. But I just got the thought 1 hour ago, and I thought that thought could be the thought that you know I you know that could change my thought process. Thought. What a thoughtful thought. Okay, so let's start, guys. That thought is e-commerce. And you must be wondering that in the previous episode, I'm sharing that I'm doing a job, and I'm pretending like as if I'm doing a job for someone else, but read the reality. I'm doing work for myself, and all those things. But on the other side, I'm saying about the e-commerce. What the hell is this? So, guys, a few months back, or not few months, many months back, I got the thought to start a e-commerce business like Shopify or drop shipping and all those things, because I saw those screenshots like $44,000, $12,000, or $1 lakh, 2 lakh, $5 lakh a month, and all those things. But the point is, when digital Pratik says, do not get excited by seeing those screenshot, because behind those screenshot there is so much effort that they had put, you know, that they have put so much hours that they had spent each and every day to to create those kind of screenshot. So you have to put some kind of a real effort. And I was just 1 hour ago, I was just scrolling my Instagram feed and I was watching reels on Instagram. And there was a one reel where a person showing a face, showing a photo which was sticking on a wall, showing a photo, and there was a line that uh, written on the reel that 1 year ago I was doing a 9 to 5 job, and 1 year later doing e-commerce, I'm making millions of rupees, and I have Rolls Royce, I have different cars, I have home, and all those things. And that was the point 1 hour ago. That was the point, where I thought, when I thought I should be doing e-commerce also, or let rephrase this, I should be trying e-commerce also. And why I was thinking like that? Why I was thinking like that? Of course, I was influenced by cars and all those things and rich in 1 year. But later, I when I when I gave a second or third thought to e-commerce, what I got to know about myself, that the real reason I am willing to do a e-commerce like Shopify, dropshipping and all those things. Uh, Beside all those richness in 1 year, I'm introvert guy, okay, and I'm not very social. I'm not very intelligent, or I'm not very mature. So someone, you know, anyone can fool me. Anyone can fool me that no, this is the real price. This is not the this is not the price. uh, you know, because anyone can fool me because I don't know the market, right? I don't know the market, how market goes, how market works. So anyone can fool me on the basis of price, quality, and all those things. I am not able right now. I'm not able to have any kind of argue or sensible argue with any kind of a person in the market because I don't know. I don't know how market works. I don't know how the things work outside in the market because I never went out in the market. I never explored myself. I never explore, explore. What explore? I never opened myself to the market so that I could get a hit from the market, and then I will understand. Okay, I'll be I'll be, I'll be having this kind of a mindset. I'll be having this kind of a knowledge because as Aman Dhatrawal says, when you go out in the market and when you get fooled, when someone made you a fool, when someone, you know, deceive you or make a fool out of you, or you know, जब तुम्हें कोई बुद्धू बनाएगा ना, राइट, जब कोई तुम्हें बुद्धू बनाएगा, बुद्धू बनाते जाएगा, तो तुम उतने ज्यादा मेच्योर बनते जाओगे. अमन दत्तरवाल ये बोलते हैं कि बुद्धू बनो. मैं बोल रहा हूं कि जितने जितने जल्दी तुम बुद्धू बन सकते हो, जितनी बार तुम बुद्धू बन सकते हो, बेवकूफ बन सकते हो तुम दुनिया में जाके, तुम सॉरी तुम जितनी बार बुद्धू बेवकूफ बन सकते हो मार्केट में जाके, उतनी बार बुद्धू और बेवकूफ बनो. बनो बुद्धू बेवकूफ. क्यों? क्योंकि बुद्धू बनने के बाद ही तुम मेच्योर बन पाओगे. तुम्हें ये पता चलेगा मार्केट कैसे वर्क करती है, हाउ पीपल थिंक, हाउ पीपल रिएक्ट टू समथिंग, हाउ पीपल डिसीव द अदर पीपल, हाउ पीपल play cards with the mindset of someone else minds. So how people try to influence you, in what other ways people try to make profit out of you. So when you will get hit by the market, then you will get to know about yourself, then you will get to know that how people think, how people work in the market. So I was thinking, I'm not getting any kind of a opportunity so that I could explore myself, or so that I could open myself to the market, and I got and I and I get mature enough to handle each critical thing. ओके, जब कोई बेवकूफ बनाएगा मुझे पता चल जाना चाहिए भाई तू गलत बोल रहा है. ओके, ये प्रोडक्ट इस प्राइस पे नहीं, उस प्राइस पे मिलता है. ओके, अगर मैं इंश्योरेंस वाले के पास जाऊं, सपोज इंश्योरेंस वाले के पास जाऊं और वो मुझे कोई प्लान बता रहा है या मुझे कुछ बता रहा है और मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे घुमा रहा है, तो मुझे पता चल जाना चाहिए कि भाई तू मुझे घुमा रहा है. इसका जो इंटरेस्ट रेट है ना, इसमें होता है, ये होता है, वो होता है. मेच्योर इसी को बोलते हैं जब आपको सारी नॉलेज हो, या आप जल्दी किसी के झांसे में ना आए. वो कैसे बन पाएंगे? जब आप बुद्धू बनेंगे, इनिशियली बुद्धू बनेंगे, तब पता चलेगा ना दुनिया काम कैसे करती है. बट अभी तक 22-23 साल की उम्र तक अभी मैं उस पॉइंट पे नहीं आया हूं जहां पर मैं ओपन हो सकूं इन सारी चीजों में. तभी जब मैं बाहर के लोगों से बात करता हूं, व्हेन आई टॉक विद समवन, माय वॉइस स्टार्ट शेकिंग. So that was the thing I was afraid about. That was the thing I'm concerned more about. And that is why I was thinking to start e-commerce. Also, I'm not denying that I will not do Facebook ad or copywriting and all those things, web designing. But I am also thinking why I should start e-commerce, or why I should try e-commerce, not to become a successful e-commerce businessman. Why I should try e-commerce, because in e-commerce I will get opportunity to interact with the vendors, to interact with the customers, or to face the situation where customer is unhappy, where customer is raising voices against me that your product sucks and your product is not working. Because those situations is a very critical situation. Those situations shows how market works, how people deceives you. Like if you call vendor or if you interact with vendor definitely gonna try that he is a newbie, and he definitely gonna try vendor definitely going to try that he should make a profit out of me because I'm a newbie. So while interact with the vendors, peoples like employees and all those things, and shipment, okay, I will get to know more about myself. I will get to know more about the market, more about the people, how people try to deceive me. What are the ways I could be exploited with the, uh, what are the ways people could exploit me because I'm having no knowledge about the market. That is why I was thinking to start e-commerce business because I'm not open to this kind of a thing. That is why I'm not mature right now. That is why I don't know how to talk with the people sensibly. That is why I don't know how to how to have a conversation with the people that other people cannot even think about to deceive me, because he should be having this kind of information that this person is having some sort of great mindset, so he won't be able to deceive me. So अमन दत्तरवाल एग्जैक्टली ऑन पॉइंट उसकी बात है कि बुद्धू बनो, बेवकूफ बनो, जितनी बार बुद्धू बेवकूफ बनोगे उतनी बार तुम्हें ये एहसास होगा कि कैसे दुनिया चलती है, और उतनी जल्दी आप मेच्योर बन पाओगे. So that is why I was thinking to start or to try, give it a try to e-commerce, and let's say, let's see in the future I'll do or not do. But this is the thing that I wanted to share. Why I'm thinking to start e-commerce, maybe after 1 year or 2 year. I'll I'm thinking to start e-commerce. I'm thinking to give it a try to e-commerce, so that I could get opportunity to explore myself with the people who definitely gonna try to make profit out of me, so that I could have a more mature understanding about the world, how world works, how market works, how people deceives you, how people want to have want to make a profit out of you. So yeah, this was the thing I wanted to share, and I just shared it. So guys, this was the episode. I hope you like it. Bye bye guys. Bye.